Okay, good morning to you. Remind me of your name.
Candace Ward.
Ward?
Lord.
Lord.
Not Ward. Board of Commissioner of Police say Ward, but it's Lord.
Lord. So, Miss Lord, are you on the docket today?
On November 25th, when me and my lawyer were here, you with Otto and Visual scheduled, because he had another trial today, but I just have a general question. Okay. Why would someone hand me personally, while I'm standing here, put February 10th? How can someone overrule you when you and my lawyer scheduled January 6th because he had a trial? Someone can think they can overrule a judge, just make a different February 10th, but
did your lawyer agree to that?
Yes, you two agree.
To the February 10th.
No. On November 25th, pull up recording notes, you and my lawyer said January 6th, 9 o'clock, because he had another
Spell your
trial.
first name, please.
C is cat, A is apple, N is Nancy, D is dog, A is apple, C is cat, E is elephant. And last name Lord, and you want to really put my maiden name.
I have marked
C-Y-C-Y-K. That was just changed.
I have March the 10th as your court date. Hold on.
She just changed it.
Who changed it?
She did not.
She did not just change it. She
just gave me the paperwork. Because I got paperwork for February 10th.
Okay, what's going on?
Well,
you want to see the paperwork I was handed personally in this courtroom?
But she's saying what are you saying? Your date is what date is supposed to be?
If you pulled your notes with the recording, you and my lawyer personally, because he had another trial, you personally said, okay, January 6th, 9 o'clock. But, give me a second. I was standing here personally, whoever handed me that date, they changed it to February 10th. How can someone that types things up that same day?
I don't see that in here. I don't, you have the paperwork? I see on November the 25th that the trial date was scheduled for February 10th.
No.
This is what I'm saying. Let's see what you have.
The discussion with my lawyer, because Mr. Dupree had another trial. He's very busy. So you personally said, okay, January 6th at 9 o'clock, because he had another trial. I don't own no car.
I understand. We're gonna understand. But what I'm asking you is, do you have the paperwork saying that it was that day?
I had the paperwork.
You said that they
I got it at home, but I can come back down here.
Why
it's
can't we do
very
this
irritating when people, what you say, they think they can overrule you.
Why is it to February 10th? Why is it blocked February 10th?
You're doing a vacation administration.
No, I'm not going on vacation February 10th. It's supposed to be 2nd through the 8th.
Let's see, because I think I
got the one for February 10th when I was personally handed November 25th, when you and my lawyer personally, let's pull the video. made a deal saying, okay, January 6th, 9 o'clock, because he had a trial.
Judge. So that's why it's moved to March.
Call Dupree.
I didn't get an answer.
All right. We'll figure out. Are we ready on anybody? Let me get Attorney Dupree in here. We're waiting on a lawyer anyway. Let me get Attorney Dupree in here, Ms. Lord.
He's somewhere in the building.
We'll find him.
She tried to find him.
Mr. Applebaum, are you ready? All right. Well, what is you have an issue with, you want this done? I know you want this resolved.
I need this is not on my driving record.
This is not on your driving record.
And when you pull up your criminal history, that ticket shows up.
Yeah, that would be, but
That will ruin my disability.
it won't ruin your disability if it's just an allegation. It's not ruining your disability now. You're saying it would ruin your disability if you were found guilty of it, right?
I already proved to you 2 years of no drugs. I can sit around anyone and I thought I'd do nothing.
No, I'm not saying, I'm not saying that, Ms. Lord. I'm saying that you are, I know you want some resolution to this, but what is the issue? It's March. We can get it quicker than March. Can we get it into January?
You can move.
I want to speak to Mr.
Check
Dupree to make sure his schedule is up.
Check with Dupree to see how his schedule.
Can we do not do the first week of March? It's my
Let
birthday.
me see if I can get you sooner. I'm gonna talk to Mr. Dupree to see his schedule. If his schedule is okay, we can get you in a couple of weeks. We just gotta give the officer.
Well, I did on November 25th. Your verbal speaking, whoever typed it out with his schedule in his computer was January 6th, but yet she handed me February 10th. How can she type anything she wants?
No, she's not
over
typing
you?
anything she wants. She's not typing anything she wants.
She didn't listen to
Well,
what
listen,
you
listen.
said.
Listen.
Yes,
If at most it was a misunderstanding, okay? She's not typing anything she wants. So if it was a misunderstanding, then that's what we'll call it, a misunderstanding. And we'll leave it at that. Now, what we'll try to do, what we'll try to do is we'll try to get Mr. Dupree in here and to find out his schedule, and we can see when we can, as soon as we can get some resolution.
I only have one question.
What's that?
If we can't get this, don't do March,
All right,
first week of March, that's my birthday. Someone's taking me to Chicago.
all right. Congratulations. All right. No, we'll try to do it sooner than that. All I'm gonna do is wait on Mr. Dupree to see how
Okay.
soon.
Wait. You know, every time
I thought you only had one question.
No, this is a fact. Every time I get handcuffed in 35 years, first ticket I got, I was locked in, they had to cut and save me, but yet they arrested me. Then I had another one with the school, I won that. Sterling Heights, let's go back 35 years with a major dope deal. I won that. It was dismissed. I'm getting tired.
Okay.
Every time I walk in, I'm getting tired of 9 Princeton putting handcuffs on me, and I'm winning. That's harassment.
I understand your pain. All right, let me take care of Miss Amanda Lee, City of Detroit.
Sorry.